Hi, welcome to Python for Data Analysis. In this hands-on, example-based course, we will learn some of the most important Python concepts for data analysis and apply them to the real-world problems. I will be guiding you through this journey, so before we get into all of that, let me tell you a couple of things about myself. My name is Archil Jvania. I studied mathematics and computer science at an undergraduate level, where I became interested in machine learning and artificial intelligence. Because of that, I later completed MIT's graduate-level statistics and data science program. I also earned multiple online certificates. Currently, I am head of learning at TechChalk, and I also lead the data analytics team. My work experience includes insurance company, where I worked as a data analyst, online learning platforms, where I worked as a consultant of advanced mathematics and programming, and also I was a proofreader. And I have worked and I keep working on multiple projects which involve analyzing data, creating predictive models, and data modeling in general. I have incorporated the projects from my experience here on TechChalk, and I hope that it will help you in your career development. Throughout this experience, Python was my main tool to work with, and it remains the leading programming language on the job market for data analysts. You have decided to learn Python. You are on the right track. So in the next video, let's get straight down to business and discuss what we will learn in this course and why it is going to be useful in your career. See you in the next video.